just in. If you are visiting this Bitmoji classroom, it means that you have been specially selected for the Wishon room. I am Miss Wishon, and I am so excited to be your second grade teacher this year. The news I just shared is not just good news, it's wonderful news, because you are now part of the Wishon Wonders. The Wishon Wonders is our class community where we work together as a team, share many exciting experiences together, and we are always respectful, responsible, and safe. You guys are my 5th group of second graders, and 5 is a pretty awesome number because I have 5 goats at home. I may or may not be absolutely, positively in love with animals. I cannot wait to start learning all sorts of new things about each other and start the school year together. Wishon Wonders, you are in for an exceptional second grade year. I hope you are ready to roll next Tuesday, September 8th. Before you go, stick around for a tour of our classroom. Enjoy!
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, 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 come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally.